bottom. Hey, what's up guys? Look what I have. This is a drone light. I got it from Amazon. You know, I fly drone sometimes during the night, and when it gets to 50 to 100 meters, I couldn't see my drone. So I bought this one. There's a red one and a white one. See, this is the red one, the white one and the red one. Here how it works. See, it's very bright. You can see the drone even like 500 meters. This is the red one. So how it works is just like when you press this, the button, there's a four stages of light. See, low light, blinking light. See, that's how it works. Comes with this rubber that you can strap into the drone. See, I will show you. Also this comes with the C connector when you charge it. This is a rechargeable, and it's like this one is like takes like 24 hours. This see, when you apply it, see, I'm here, and this one actually, see, you put it in there, but I didn't use this one, the clip. I used the rubber to put it into the drone. Here, I'll show you. Here's my Sg906 drone, 908 drone. See, see, also here's the black one. This is the white, the white one. I put it in the bottom. It's really bright. You can see the drone even like I flew it one time like around 10 p.m. When you get 10 p.m. here, it's really dark. Even like 500 meter, I can see the drone. If you don't have this, like only 50 to 100 meters, you cannot see your drone. So maybe I'm kind of weird because sometimes I fly drone during the night. I want to see my drone visually, even like far. Like that. You know what I did one time? I put the tape here on the bottom. I put the drone here. I put one red on the top. Stick in there if you put the tape, but make sure the drone won't fall. You put another rubber. This rubber can hold the drone up there. I'll show you this one. See, when the drone flies during the night, if there's an aircraft or airplane above, they can see my drone on the top. At the same time, I can see my drone because of the white blinking here. So I will show you. I will apply it tonight. I can put two. One in the bottom and one on the top. Isn't that beautiful? And the good thing about it, I can switch it to also my DJI, my Mavic Air 2. I can switch it like that. And this one too, I can strap it on the bottom because I tried once. I'm gonna vlog the video that I used the Mavic Air. I put one on the top, the red one, and the white one in the bottom, like that. I can use the duct tape, masking tape, the black one, because this one is very sticky. You can put it there and put on the bottom. Remember the Mavic Air, there's a sensor here. This is a nighttime light here, this one, and this is the sensor. But during the night, the Mavic Air 2 sensor, it won't work. It's useless during the night, during the dark time. So you can put it here. So one time I put it, I applied the drone like that. I applied the drone like that, but I strap it with rubber, this one, make sure it won't fall, because this one is very tight. Here like that. See that one? You can switch it to your any of your drone. Even also I switch it to my SG. I can switch it to my SG on the top and one in the bottom. Feels like that. But make sure, because it won't hold properly, you put a rubber. This rubber. Because this rubber is stretchable. But you use two rubber. You use two rubber. Because the SG and the Mavic Air are big drones, so you can use that two rubber like that. So it will hold. It's very tight, like that. You strap it like that on the bottom. Strap it like that on the bottom. Let's turn it off. This light lasts up to 24 hours without charging, or maybe more than, because since I used this a couple of times, I didn't charge it. Like that, guy, and you fly during the night, you will see your drone. One in the bottom, the white one, and on the top. See that one? Also, here's my orange one. I will try the orange one to fly it and lag it. It's like that. One in the bottom, and one on the top, or you can put two of them. Make the other one steady, and one is blinking. Alright guys, let's fly it and let's see.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
No more battery. Mavic. Can't fly you. The battery is low. Okay. Nice lang. Look at that. I'm still recording. Shoot. That's my Mavic Air 2 light. Put on one on the top, the red one on the top blinking, and the bottom one. Is that nice? Alright guys, I see you later. It's pretty dark out here. I'm glad it's working fine. Because like covering the sensor there. But the sensor not working during the night. When you fly it, sensor not working. No, don't work. So put that light there. And the collision avoidance not working during the night. It won't work. Just like disable. Alright guys, see you.